Hello, so today I'll be clearing out this, pretty much. So, maybe even some of that. I've only found 2 grass snakes on it, so let's hope it stays grass snakes. Only found 2 grass snakes and 2 scorpions. Okay, get back to you when I get done. Okay guys, so new update. I've so far found another snake. This one is a speckled king snake. I don't know if I said that right, but it's creepy. It was really big. But so far I've got this done. I got most of that cleaned up. But I'm going to leave that alone just for a little bit. Let that snake go away. Now I'm going to work over there. I'm going to get most of those trees gone. So, get back to you whenever that's done. Guys, final results. Well, can't see nothing because nighttime, but tomorrow I'll be able to get a better video. See you then. Thank you for sticking around.